Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone sound not working after iOS 16 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply take two brush and then you have to remove the case from your iPhone and you have to clean these speakers from here with brush. Okay guys, and after that you have to clean the upper speaker from here with the brush, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palm still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, and then you have to tap on accessibility. And from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it on, and then you have to tap on audio visual. And from here what you need to do is just simply check the balance. Okay guys, and you have to select the balance from here in plus or at the zero. Okay guys, and then you have to turn the toggle on for mono audio and then go back. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, tap on general. Now scroll it down from here, and from here you have to tap on shutdown. So you have to shut down your device and then you have to turn it on again. And after that what you need to do is just simply check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is clicks there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general again, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. So you have to reset all setting, because after reset all setting your all problem of iPhone will be fixed. So you have to reset all setting, this will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.